pursue it, or anything? Did it come to you?
I was clear from day one that I don't have to give any interview because I knew I wouldn't be able to clear it. First of all, although I had good grades, I passed pretty good. But then I was very clear that this is not what I want to do. I don't want to waste a single day in working for someone else, like doing a job and like getting into that whole different field that I don't want.
Agreed.
So I was very clear in that part.
Agreed. So I'm just going to ask you a quick question answers, okay? Since for our audience to just like generally know you, okay? So with the most important question of this century, Anveshi Jain, how does it feel being the most Googled person till now?
Oh my God!
How has it changed your life?
ऐसा लगता है कि यार जब आपने किसी चीज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत की हो और आप रिवॉर्ड का वेट कर रहे हो, लेकिन जब आपको रिवॉर्ड मिले तो वो जितना आपने सोचा उससे भी कहीं ज्यादा बड़ा रिवॉर्ड मिल जाना, इट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग. एंड कई बार तो मुझे यकीन ऐसा भी हुआ है कि मैं ना रात में बीच में उठ के रोती थी because I get so overwhelmed thinking, oh my God, is it really happening? I mean, this is all coming served in a platter for me, and I felt that okay, every single minute that I have actually worked hard or wanted to become something. So that was a testimony that okay, dreams do come true, and that also inspired me to do more. So
surely, your dream has totally come true. From being an engineer, I want you to tell what your journey has been overall. After engineering, क्या किया आपने, कैसे किया, and let's just keep it in Hindi and English both, so that our audience is comfortable also.
Correct. मेरा ये था क्योंकि मुझे मॉम डैड को भी खुश करना था. एक पॉइंट आता है आपकी लाइफ में जहाँ पे यू वांट टू मेक देम प्राउड. तो मेरा ये था कि यार अगर मैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में जाती हूँ या बिजनेस शुरू करती हूँ तो मेरे मॉम डैड बड़े खुश रहेंगे कि मैं फेमस भी होगी. मुझे लगता था कि आई विल बी मेकिंग इट टू द फोर्ब्स एट द एज ऑफ 22 23 एंड एवरीबॉडी विल बी हैप्पी एंड सब अच्छा होगा. लेकिन मैंने बिजनेस शुरू किया बिना उनको बताए. आई यूज्ड टू गेट 5,000 रुपीज एज घर से आता था उतना पैसा. तो मैंने 5,000 की शॉप रेंट की, फिर धीरे से एक बिजनेस शुरू किया जिसका नाम मैंने दिया डेज जेनेसिस. आई वाज अ प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर बेसिकली. सो आई वाज डिजाइनिंग वेरी क्रिएटिव इंटीरियर हाउसेस, कैफेज, रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड places like that. And that I did for 2 years, and then I told my parents that this is my established business. Are you happy? And I called them to cut the ribbon of my showroom and all of that. But they were not really happy. They were not very excited to see me doing all of that. Then I realized maybe I'll give up on this one. And to be frank, मेरे पास क्योंकि पैसा नहीं था तो मेरी जो शॉप थी that was in a bus stand in Indore. Sarvate bus stop पे था. तो they were very angry, even more so.
Yeah, you're from Indore, right? And then you moved out to Bombay.
I'm from Khajuraho. I did my graduation from Bhopal. Then I moved to Indore for my MBA pursuing degree. तो मैंने MBA drop करके business शुरू कर दिया था. So that was the journey. So उन्होंने मेरा business बंद करवाया, मेरी shop बंद करवाई कि यहाँ पे bus stand पे तुम काम नहीं करोगे and all of that. Instead, I was expecting कि they will pay and they will invest in my business and all of that, but that didn't happen. So that's how I got into events, and I was enjoying events. But simultaneously, I was also doing theaters. I knew that I want to become an actor, and I prayed and I fasted to go to Bombay and give it a try. And then I came to Bombay eventually when I lost my house, my rented apartment in a fire. So basically, so the ex, he just wanted to take a revenge like that, which turned out to be a blessing in disguise. So that's pretty much it. I came here, I gave more than 1,000 auditions, nothing happened, कुछ हुआ नहीं उसमें. फिर गंदी बात happened. गंदी बात के लिए भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा confused थी, डरी हुई थी करना है कि नहीं करना है. फिर I took that punt. बहुत ही strategically मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों से advice लेके decide किया कि I will do गंदी बात. और इसके बाद से मैं अपने career को लेकर के बहुत ज़्यादा careful हो जाऊंगी. I will try and not do any bold series furthermore. Not that bold.
But so tell me one thing. Gandhi Baat, okay? Has it been the best thing happened to you, or has it been the worst thing happened to you?
I would say I don't think so. It's the best thing that happened to me, and it's the worst thing. I count it somewhere. If I have to put it in a way, I would say कि ये compound effect है basically. Whatever you do, it matters. There is never a life-changing moment or overnight success. You keep doing something, and one fine day it comes in the limelight of everybody's eyes.
That's right.
आ जाती है. So I've been doing things to be where I eventually did. So it's not a overnight impact or something that happened just suddenly out of the blue. So yes, Gandhi Baat actually helped me in coming in the forefront, that people knew and they googled who Anveshi Jain is. ये हुआ, and उसके बाद से more or less I think it's all about the hard work that you put into the game.
Wow, that's nice. So tell me one thing, how do you deal with the entire, hate comments and everything that comes out to you, or whatever? How do you deal with those comments?
The best way to do is to not deal with it at all. I mean, I think ignorance is something that I'm pro.
Ignorance.
I don't really care, because right now also if people are writing something, I'm just not looking at them. I'm looking at you. I have a good face to look at, right?
Our comments are going very nice. Okay,
oh,
people are saying,
yeah.
And even I'm planning to just keep my eyes off it and just talk to you. You know?
Right? So I mean, if point
yeah, exactly.
time to comment something bad on my profile, you are giving attention. I'm not asking for it. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Giving me power.
Exactly.
So I'm
exactly. It's that attention is coming to you.
That's it. That's what matters.
That's bliss. That's bliss.
Yeah, so it's a bliss in a way. So why would I really bother?
Coming to the lockdown, what have you been doing? Like, कुछ discover किया है, कुछ सोचा है, कुछ कर रहे हो? Any other hobby or plan to?
मैंने इतना प्रोडक्टिव तो तब नहीं किया जब मैं बाहर जा रही थी, ऑडिशंस देने के लिए. I was all over the place when I was traveling, when I was इतना सारा काम था कि I did not have time to actually do what I wanted to do, which is focusing on my own self, focusing on my writing, focusing on the app basically. So now my app is 1.5 years old. And because I was not able to give proper time, so this was the time.
Guys, please download the Anveshi Jain app. She goes live every night at 10:30. If you all want, you all can always be a part of her family, and you can always enjoy it. So, what app you have? Yeah. You have an app as well now.
Yeah.
I mean that's like that. This journey has been good.
Thank you. Oh my God, yes. I mean, it's been pretty fast and pretty good. Yeah. I would totally.
It has been inspiring to a lot of people. Like,
thank you so much.
Like for example, say for all the MCs who are struggling out there, host, everyone. You have anything to say for them? How to cope up with the current lockdown, or how to figure themselves out overall?
Yes. I mean, I would say that because if you are an MC, if you host, you have the gift of gab, which is very rare in people. People struggle with being confident, being able to express and articulate well. Because you're an MC, because you're an anchor, you can utilize, you can use that power in your videos, in your blogs, and figure out what is that you can talk about, what is that you can passionately speak about. Or you can just get information about things and talk about videos. Right now, everything is on social media. Social media is the biggest power that you can have, and this is the best time to create videos. And to be honest, when I did blogging, I started with a tripod and mobile phone. I had an audience of 29 million of somebody else's audience. So it's just that you don't really need to have any excuse to not start something.
That's
you can
what.
do whatever you want.
That's what. This is the time when you can figure yourself out. So what are you doing to kill your time overall?
To be honest, I don't really have to kill my time. The time's killing me because it's just passing so quickly. Half of my time goes in cooking, cleaning, and dusting and all that stuff, which I'm pretty well with. I'm learning. I've never done that in my life before. Second of all, because I'm writing, so that writing is a process where you sit and you think and you realize that hour is just gone like that. Then you start writing, and the writing, if it flows, and you lose time. So live is there, and live app also on a weekly basis. We are adding new things to do. So like last week we added direct line. Direct line is a messaging, which is messaging of course. So you give 199 coin to send this to me, and I reply to the fan directly because I'm not very good at texting.
So how much does it take to have a conversation with you, Anveshi, overall, for our guests to know? Because I'm
pretty sweet at downloading. So now that I see the very idea, I mean, it's so funny. Google.
That's right. That's a business plan. Nice business.
Surprisingly, it is a business. So yesterday we launched my wardrobe, which means that you see a wardrobe on my app and you can pick anything you like, whatever. So it has like image wears, it has sexy wears, it has my dresses, anything that you like. So for you, for your girlfriend, for herself. So
yeah, just go on your app, figure out, what they want to give family or, girlfriends or whoever, XYZ. They can figure out
that sort of stuff. And if nothing, you can just get a video message
from you.
Message from me. Yeah. So Celebite is an option wherein
wow.
Which can really
So
go
I just want to know, what is the weirdest thing asked you on the app?
Asked me to wear a transparent and seduce him in a video. And I have worn a sari instead, and I have told him very, very hard where you are going. This app is about to go there.
That has to be.
If you will say something like,
and that means you are, if people would have been. I just want to know one thing, like, how has this entire journey, from your birthplace to Bhopal and then to Bombay, then Kandiba, I also believe you did a Tamil film?
Yeah, Telugu. That's a Telugu film.
Yeah, Telugu film. So, how the entire journey has been for you? I want to know that.
You want to know the whole curve of my life? How many minutes am I allowed to speak about this?
Can I
because I'm right. तो मुझे भी ये जानना है कि इसका formula है क्या? It's just boobs. Come on, I mean, are you kidding me? It can't be just. Of course, I mean, I am known for certain things. I understand that, but then to sustain it for 1.5 years, and I've done a lot of things other than that. So I was going through my diaries. I was going through the books that I've read and all of that. So if I am not Anveshi Jain myself, and if I look at the writing, and if I look at the process, and if I look at the graph of how many times I have failed and I've tried again, I would say that this person was meant to be somewhere. If not now, 2 years later, but this person would be successful because there's no not giving at all. Second, fail, I try again much like I have planned this. Gali saying, Anveshi, you gotta do this. You gotta learn about data. You need to date a guy. Every single detail of my life I have mentioned. Even I have written my own Wikipedia page. That's
on the app.
Mad. No, Wikipedia page I wrote 3 years back.
Yeah.
From that, I am a workaholic and I don't waste time at all. I was struggling, I had no money, I would still waste 200 rupees on coffee, and I will sit in a cafe and I will see what all I can do with the limited resources that I have and how can I be better. I mean, I have invested so much time in growing in self-growth, and I've invested money on myself instead of
That's right.
buying a fancy car, instead of buying so many clothes. I've only invested in courses, invested in human behavior analysis course. I've invested in psychology books. So everything that I have earned, I have invested.
You said you are a dating coach or a dating expert. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of people in Mumbai who are, in the lockdown. So do you have any tips for, couples to how to figure their relationships out during the lockdown?
Absolutely.
And how to maintain it?
Yeah, actually I've been coaching people online. अभी भी मैं उनसे FaceTime पे दो तरह के केस वो है जो कि सिंगल हैं, जो कि घर पे stuck है, and then they are wondering to go out and try date and mingle, and they are thinking कि यार अब तो मैं बाहर भी नहीं जा सकता, तो मैं डेट कैसे करूंगा. So I sometimes because we meet and जब भी आप किसी से there is a either you both are horny or the guy is thinking that okay to meet you, is not the priority. It's just because you're getting bored, you are alone, and genuinely you're getting to know each other, keeping sex aside. So that's a very good thing that is happening.
Of course.
FOMO is not there because क्या होता है, when you can date one person, you can date 5 people as well. आपने एक date finish की होगी, right? So they're meeting 10 other people. कोई चीज सामने, अगर आप एक ही लैपटॉप पे 5 स्क्रीन पे 5 फिल्में देख रहे हो, so none of them are gonna get. नहीं चलेगा. Right now, you're bound to focus on one person because you know you're not gonna further more just than a conversation. So this is a time when you can actually have real relationship with someone. And after the
that's right. Totally agree.
Yes. And second issue what people are facing is being a partner in the house. And either they are fighting or they are feeling one of them is doing more and the other is just resting and chilling, not doing much. So for them, I have just one advice, which is focus on the growth of each other. Don't blame. First thing is communicate, divide the work. It's not how we both can make the in terms of spiritual growth. Your
move forward. That's all.
I mean, if I were stuck with a guy who is just chilling and Netflixing and playing Ludo with me, I would be actually wanting to be alone so that अकेले में इंसान कम से कम अकेलापन दूर करने के लिए कुछ तो productive करता ही है ना,
Exactly.
So it's better to be alone than in a company that is just toxic, nothing more. And
so
just
continue. Sorry.
Third kind of people that are actually depressed, those who are seeing couples on Instagram and feeling that everybody around them is like living a fairy tale, quarantine with their loved ones, and they have found the love of a lifetime. I just want to tell you that a lot of people are staying in a relationship that the first place. मतलब गलत लोगों के
exactly. Like chill pill. Okay. Come to Bombay. Okay. I want to
when it is something that so if there's one thing that I'm extremely grateful to, it's Bombay.
Wow. And what do you feel? Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Khatta ya meetha? Sweet. What's your favorite? Sweet.
Great. Like I have those.
Fantasy. Totally.
Marine lines. I love the light. Yeah.
Morning person or a night owl?
Both. I sleep and I get up early.
Vada pav or samosa pav?
None. I don't like it genuinely.
Anyone? Come on, you're in Mumbai. Mumbai ka is like, you know, favorite food kya hai? Vada pav. Sabko pata hai. Vada pav is like vada pav.
Samosa pav are the shows, yeah.
You have to choose one.
Samosa pav, I would say. I have not eaten. Might have tried, yes.
What about
both actually.
you're a Shah Rukh fan. Which is your favorite movie?
Kal Ho Na Ho and Veer Zara. Oh my God, he looks so.
I need one song from that movie. Any one song which has, you know, which you like. Since Kal Ho Na is your favorite song, or else, you know, you can tell me, you can sing a song. One song which has been there through. And just want to, you know, rhythm or sing something or just listen to that. What has that? And if you could just sing as well.
Song है ना जो कि ending में when she's getting married to Saif. That's the song that I used to sing and feel a lot, and I have cried so much on that one. It was like, can you help me with the lyrics?
Yeah, so could you just do verses for us?
Can you
or any other song? Sing me a song that you want to sing.
पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो